enkumi n'enkumi z'abiikiriza erizoba nibahika aha mwanya ogwa Muchwini erikushangwa omu district ya Kitgum okukuza ekiro ekya St John Room eky'omurundi ogwa 49 owabire Archbishop w'ekkanisa ya Uganda owisirwe omu mwaka ogwa 1977 omu butware obwa Idi Amin. Omukoro gweko President Yoweri Museveni owabari omugenyi mukuru kandi aha mukoro nigo gumwe gwahikaho ba bishops nyamwingi babemberi Archbishop w'ekkanisa ya Uganda the Most Reverend Dr. Stephen Kazimba Mugalu owabari omubuulizi mukuru ow'izooba ori Bishop owa North Africa yahereza obutumwa ari kugamba ahari John Ruwum k'omuntu wabire ari omwesigwa kandi ari kwetwaza gye otireho na nokureba ngu akafayo okureba ngo abikiriza bona bakwatanisiza hamwe ari kushabira obusinge ombwire obwabire bugumire oguyahiga abikiriza okureba ngo bamukurata kandi baba ekyo kureberaho na munonga okugira obumanzi ahamwe na n'obwesigwa.
A quiet man. Dano amwola mekom pe lohatata. A uniter, not a divider. A man who sought reconciliation, not confrontation. But in the face of such ongoing, non-stop evil, he could not remain silent.
Omu bigambo bye Archbishop Kazimba yasima Gavumenti ya Uganda ahabw'okutaho ekiro ky'erizooba kandi ekakikora ekihumuro ekirikworeka ngu eki ne Gavumenti neesiima emirimo yakozirwe Archbishop Ruwum.
Today we rejoice as a nation because of who Ruwum was and what he did. We are thankful to the government of Uganda and to you, Your Excellency, for gazetting this day as a public holiday in Uganda. Let us clap the government to reflect on life of such a Christian matter of the 21st century.
Omulingo nigo gumwe yashaba abikiriza okureba ngo nibakwatanisiza hamwe okureba ngo basakombeka ekyijukizo ekya John Room omwanya ogubakitiremu.
I want to appreciate all government ministries for your invaluable contribution and willingness to partner with the church in making this place a center of modern tourism as a national heritage. Thank you very much. Thank you, Church of Uganda. Should not be the only stakeholder in this memorial. All of us can benefit in one way or another. I welcome partnerships and contributions towards John Room Memorial Projects.
Wanyuma yo kuhika aha mwanya President Museveni owabashendekerezibwe First Lady Janet Kataha Museveni batechumuri aha kituru ekya John Room. Ombigambo bye President Museveni yagira ngo abebembezi bashemewe guma kureka okwesiba aha bantu bitu babase kubakorera ebintu birungi ebirimo buhereza oburi kubayamba.
Leaders should not impose themselves on the people.
Lutela premier rida tetek iwi luak ni gen gitelo gila bontwer pa luak.
Both the Bible and the political strategy guides that persuading people is better than imposing yourself on them.
Oguyagira ngweshobi eyamani eyakozwe Idi Amin kwa kuriyo kwita abantu ababiri batine mshango.
We have fought many wars, as you know.
Walwenyu lweny mapol kita wunungeyo kwere.
But we despise killing of people, assassinations.
Ento wano chayo negalany.
If we want to fight, we fight. We fight, and if we kill or we are killed, it is in battle, not killing people.
President Yoweri Museveni yahamiza abikiriza Gavumenti eja kweyongera kushagika okukora omwanya ogwa John Room gwo kuraganisa okuja kuhereza miliyoni 6 okwomasa kushagika emirimo eriyo negenda omisho.
Finally, when I was coming here, my staff reminded me that I had made a pledge of 60 million shillings to the priests here.
Lokama gike dong tieni mana tiga donyo kan jomatiu borago poiwe ani yama na bicheke ni abimio million piera bichel what jomagetiu ikanicha.
I still have that debt.
Banya eni futie wiaba.
My staff, please give this to the bishop.
I know we shall expect more.